Mexico, Maine, Main Street, looking towards Rumford now. There is a car stranded in the middle. No occupants, they've already been rescued. There is a lot of water right on Main Street. See, this road is flooded as well. Right up to those houses. Police do have the road barricaded, so nobody's coming through here. Anybody local knows right where I am. The bridge is still in one piece, thankfully. A lot of water here, folks. You see the Androscoggin right out ahead there. All the water's just coming right up here. Family Dollar is right down this road, as well as the post office. This is Radio Shack to the right. Stay safe out there, everybody. The water is receding very, very quickly, as you can see, thankfully. I don't know if you can see with the sun. The water is beginning to run back towards the Androscoggin River. I don't know if you can see it right there. The water is beginning to run back, thankfully. Shouldn't be long. The roads will be open again. There it is. See the current past that car there. It's flowing back towards the Androscoggin. Shouldn't be long and the roads will be reopened. Now the sun's tucked in. You rarely see the water. So it's definitely going back towards the Androscoggin. There's quite a hole there. You see the water flowing out this way. There's a lot of residential buildings back there. I hope everybody's out and safe. The water is receding.